Hey guys, so you may notice something different in the video quality. We're trying it out for the first time. We finally gave in and decided it was time to upgrade portable cameras. Did a video a day or two or so ago talking about getting a GoPro, and I did. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think it's the black. Anyway, supposed to have pretty good quality, but it was reasonable price. It was about $250, I think, with all the bells and whistles. So this is just a trial. I wanted to post this, see what it'll do, kind of walk around with it and get an idea. Thought maybe I can show you an update on a few things that I have going on with work and the gate and everything like that. So I've already posted it, but go check out the clip. We have the big gate there, 28 footer. This post is done, the gate works. That side of the gate is just going over to the old fence, so it's not done. We got my tractor. We have this tractor here, which is the customer's, but it's been sitting for a long time. So they wanted to see if we could get it running and see if I can make it work reliably. And then this tractor here decided it didn't want to stay on its trailer, so it jumped off. It's just about, well, it's ready to go back together. Right where the exhaust pipe is, just behind that whole frame got bent as it rolled off and then rammed into the trailer, and it curled that. So that one's ready to go back together. Hopefully I'll have that done Monday, because I know they're chomping at the bit to get this back. I have a tow goat we just got done going through. That had been sitting in the shed for about 7 years, and the motor was seized. We got it to break loose, put a new carburetor on it. The old carburetor was done. So we're there. We have this lawnmower here. It quit working, had compression issues for the customer, so we went through, found out it was a valve sticking. So we rebuilt the top end of the engine, and it runs like a top. And then we got an old frame that's scrap. This is my daughter's go-kart lawnmower thing that I think she's giving up on, so I may end up taking that over. And then yeah, just lots of other stuff still in the works, but yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm gonna test out this footage. If this is good footage, then I may post it in sequence with everything else going on. If not, then you'll never see it. So thanks for coming along.